Man, that thing's just too cool not to get the camera. International. KB8. That thing is slick, man. Well, unless something else rolls in, I think that's my pick of the day here. You guys want to see inside? He's got the door open, so we'll do a little peek inside the cab. Man, that thing is cool. It's Cougar. Mustang. Mine's over there, parked out of the way because it looks like a piece of junk, but I think I need to work on my video skills. Looks like it's a 34. Pretty cool. There's a beauty here. Bel Air. Man. Super nice. I didn't think there was going to be that many cars here. Very cool.
Offices in Idaho, and then the main office is in Nebraska. And then I'll be
Shorty Sport Custom. That thing is nice. Seeing a lot of the rear sliders on these old trucks. That's got one too. Here's one you don't see very often, is a single cab dually. I like this one, single cab dually. That's cool. Super cool. Nice interior shot for you. Nice. There you go, that's one way to do it. Just get a decal and stick it on. I like that, that's cool. Don't gotta worry about anybody stealing your emblems. Big back windshield. I'm not really talking much because I don't got much to say today. Motor looks like it's sitting in there a little wonky. It almost looks like it's shifted. Yeah, I just don't got a whole lot to talk about today. Just kind of showing the cars. So that was a Galaxy 500, okay. Huh.
Go to the car product for carburetor connection. I don't run it. This is not that, right? So get it
I like the car. I don't like the red stripe on the seat, but everybody does their own thing. I used to not like the, what you call it, louvers, but kind of like those now. not a big Mustang guy, but this cool little car back there. Little Mini, something? I don't know. Thing's tiny. So, I don't know.
Probably even a little less. Probably even a little less.
Nice.
I'll figure my own shit.
It just backed out.
Cougar. Nice Buick. Stingray. Beamers, if you like Beamers. It's a lot of Corvettes here. I think it was a drive your Corvette kind of day. Very nice. There's a couple Porsches. 1, 2, 3. The tan one over there is pretty sweet. There's a lot of people over there, so I don't really want to go flood in. Maybe we'll get into it. Oh. Ooh. This Land Cruiser. Excuse me. Oh, this thing's sweet. That's the coolest car here. What are you talking about? We'll go down the middle and we'll go left and right. This Scout's pretty sweet. It's got a diesel in it. You guys want to see that?
Getting from the airport to your home is the new channel.
Here, I'll get on.
Go to California and the same.
There you go. There's a better view. This thing sounded really good when it pulled in. Even got the old school cooler with it. Nice. Like the hood scoop. Check out that bad boy. Diamond plate. Always knocking on Volkswagens, but this one's pretty cool. Pretty cool little Volkswagen. So there's a front view of the Porsches. There's that tan one I was talking about earlier. Thing's pretty cool looking. Pretty slick. Pretty slick.
But it's so clean looking.
It's got a lot of wear on
I guess I can zoom in really far.
So the air cleaner becomes a little cleaner.
This probably has the nicest interior I've seen here.
Yeah, those two things is like, don't remember this because you don't see the kind of cars anymore. The cars in the early 50s started to see and I think you can build them to these values. Oh yeah, they're called Roman.
I had my first one.
These guys are getting kind of hard to find too. What's that got in there? Big block? I like that. Speaker holders. Very cool. Very cool. Well, if you like traveling, there's a Westfalia Euro van. I think we've kind of touched base on everything here. I think.
Beautiful man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Really.
So I guess there's another car show going on. Okay, we got one more thing we got to go look at. We got a monster truck over here. This thing's cool.
But the guy was arguing.
Hell yeah. All right. That's pretty sweet. Not gonna lie. I think it puts the Corvette to shame. Skoda. Wanted to get some video of that Nova, but that guy won't get out of the way, so I'll respect that. It's cool. I'm not sure how well the video is going to be with us. I guess we'll find out what 4K looks like. You're just going to have to deal with my talking because I'm not going to edit it out. Alright, found one more I want to go see. I like the looks of this Volkswagen back here. I'm going to go check that out. Yeah, you definitely don't want to see that at a car show. It's a bummer. That's a bummer. Hope somebody told the guy so he doesn't drive out here and blow his motor up.
There you go. Let the cap.
Super cool. Ah, nice. He took off. Let's look at his car. Just kidding.